So it's been a year and a half of me owning these Uberturbine wheel covers, and they are such a blessing to have, and I think it's one of the best upgrades that you can get for your Model Y performance, especially because the wheels sit so far out of the car, and people driving it who don't know about that are so prone to hitting the curb. Now, unfortunately, a couple people did drive the car and got into a couple accidents with it, but these things were so easy to swap in and out that I just wanted to show you guys how easy it was, and hopefully that will sway you guys into considering to buy a set for yourself. Thanks for coming back to my channel. I'm GT Charlie. Let's get on with the video. So this was actually my first set right here. This is about a year and a half ago at the top of 2024. And all I had to do was take that foam tape right there that they included and just install it on the inside of that cap. It was pretty easy to do. All I had to do was just pull the backing a little bit at a time and lay it down, and it actually went all in one piece. I didn't have to make any extra cuts or anything like that. It's pretty flexible and stretchy, so that was a positive thing. Once the tape was on, it was actually ready to go right onto the car. Wow. Looks really good, man. I really like it. Wee.
Wait. You keep cooking like this, Mamie, and I might just marry you.
Six months later.
Well, look what happened here. And we're gonna be fixing this by grabbing one of these guys, which I'm so happy I got 2 pairs of these for each wheel. We had an unfortunate event where somebody was driving the car and hit it so hard that pieces of this were missing. And how funny is this? I still have this piece here. It's just staying. This stuff is really strong. I really like it. It really stays in place. But one thing I really want to do is grind that down. Maybe we're gonna have to paint it. All right, let's get it going. Do you like the wheels?
Wheels? Yes.
Sweet. All right, ready to get started?
A little bit different.
Yeah. All right, so the goal here is I'm gonna be using this Dremel right here. I'm probably gonna start with something really abrasive and try to get this big chip off. I have this from Harbor Freight, actually, the Bauer. Then I'm gonna start working with some of these, kind of get it flat. So that's probably as far as I want to get it to. This looks pretty good. I'm just gonna wipe it down really fast and then get that tape on, and then yeah, I think we should be good. All right, let's start with the next thing now. I'm gonna pop it off.
What are you doing?
I have to remove that piece right there. So this pops off from the bottom, very easy. Like that.
Very easy.
Very easy. That's cool how you pop 2 of them off, but look, that one's still really stable. It's pretty cool. Oh, ooh, that's nasty. Right, we gotta brush that off and we're good. Oh, dust it off here. All right, well, here comes the easy part. So we always start with the valve stem here. Kind of like to do this first, get the outside edge a little bit closer to where it needs to be. And then we start popping in from here. Boom. And you know, I always have this issue where it kind of bubbles up on the outer edges in one particular area, so I'm trying to kind of push along it and really stretch it out a little bit more. Yeah, that's perfect, guys. Take a quick little before, because I'm really bad with before. And here is the after. Wow, it looks really good, you guys. Definitely recommend it. And we say goodbye to this piece right here. Thank you for serving your purpose. Thank you for protecting our wheel. I'm gonna give this one a 10 out of 10 recommendation, you guys. Please check it out on Amazon, check it out on eBay. These things snapped on very well. They stayed on the car at high speeds, and they protected the wheel, which is the #1 thing that we wanted for this product anyways. Guys, I appreciate you guys watching the video. Thank you so much for coming back to this channel. If you guys have any questions, just drop it in the comments. And if you have any other recommendations or anything like that you wanna see, just let me know. GT Charlie out. Peace.